Good morning, children. Today I am going to start a new topic. In the formation of adjectives, we have done only formation of adjectives in the previous video. Today I am going to start with degrees of adjectives. In the previous video, I have told you how from different part of speech we can form adjectives. In this video, we are going to study the positive, comparative and superlative degrees of adjective. Okay. For example, the positive degree. The positive degree, we can say that there is no comparison. It is the simplest form of adjective in which there is no comparison between a person, animal or thing. If I say Meera is a tall girl, there is no comparison. I am simply saying that she is a tall girl. Clear? Now coming to the comparative form of degree. In this, there is a comparison between two objects, between two person. It can be person, place or thing. In this, the comparative degree shows that a person, animal or thing has less or more of quality than the other person, place or thing. For example, Meera is taller than her sister. If I say this, I am comparing Meera and her sister. So, I am saying the Meera is taller than her sister. Here taller is the comparative degree. Okay. Moving ahead to the superlative degree. The superlative degree, we are comparing a person, place or thing to all other person, place or thing of the same group. It can be either less or more. In that entire group we are comparing. For example, Meera is the tallest girl in the class. We are talking about a class in which she is the tallest girl. Okay, so superlative degree is the highest form of all other degrees. Now, how to change a positive into a comparative and a superlative degree? In this sentence which I have taken, Meera is a tall girl, the word adjective tall. Tall is a positive form of adjective. When we change it into comparative, we added er, taller. And when we have changed the same sentence into the superlative degree, we added est and we said made it tallest. So these are the words. So this is the way how you add er, est and change a positive word into a comparative degree and superlative degree. If a word ends with a consonant like y, like heavy, heavy, when it is changed into a comparative form, it becomes heavier, heavier. And the superlative form of heavy is heaviest, heaviest. So by adding er, est, ier, we can change the word into comparative and superlative degree. Now there are few words of adjective in which you do not add a suffix to make it a suffix to make it into a comparative degree or a superlative degree. For example, if I say beautiful, we say in the comparative degree we say more beautiful, and in the superlative we say most beautiful. Okay, same way popular, we say more popular and most popular. We add more and most to change it into comparative and superlative degree. Now there are few words which in which we do not add anything before or after, but the word itself changes. For example, if we are taking a word good, G-O-O-D, good, it is the positive degree. When we change it into comparative degree, it becomes better, B-E-T-T-E-R. And the superlative form of this word is best, B-E-S-T. So you can see here the word changes completely. Similarly, another example like bad, B-A-D, bad. It changes into worse, W-O-R-S-E in the comparative form, and in the superlative form it becomes worst, W-O-R-S-T. Okay, so this is what is degrees of adjective. Now coming to your revision worksheet, children, I have uploaded one revision worksheet today in eCare. I have tried to include all the question patterns the way you may get in your exam. I have touched the entire topic, even of the literature and the grammar. Okay, so you just complete it, and if you have any doubt related to your revision worksheet, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.